I'm just bringing my husband some lunch. Husband! Yeah, oh, that looks delicious. We had a whole day of cooking and another whole day of cooking, and I'm gonna tell you why, which you might be able to guess, but Mother, do you want to tell them?
We're cooking for you.
Oh, yes. We have decided to make an ebook together because my mom comes up with these recipes and everyone always wants to know what they are, and so we decided to collaborate, and I have no idea what it's called yet, but we are going to put together a really beautiful ebook with lots of amazing recipes. And what are some recipes you're excited about? The cocoa lime lentils are so good.
Yeah, what did we
The white bean chili. We've got a lot of really fun recipes and
good sandwiches and what did we do yesterday? I'm so tired.
We're really tired. My feet hurt. I'm at that point in my pregnancy where like my feet are starting to hurt. I was literally standing on this mat chopping. Like, I'm a real legit pregnant lady now, guys. I'm like, my feet. So this whole book is actually going to be tree nut free. There's still peanuts and coconuts, because those actually are not technically nuts. Peanuts are a legume, which I taught my mother. But I'm doing it all tree nut free for a couple reasons. The inspiration was one of my best friends is deathly allergic to tree nuts. Almonds, pine nuts, cashews, macadamia, walnuts, hazelnuts. She can't have even the tiniest bit. She can't use soap with any of that in it. She's very allergic, and I'm just aware of that, and I think that, you know, there's a lot of amazing vegan food with nuts, but too many nuts, man. Like, some people, it's very it's like a life or death situation for them. So I thought it would be fun to have an ebook with no nuts, even though we cook with nuts.
Yeah, we do.
But it forces us to be a little creative with how to get that texture that we're going for without nuts. So like we found a way to do a nut-free pesto, for example.
We'll keep you posted. Is there more coming? We're creating things.
We're working really hard. We're like getting creative and making some fun, healthy, nutritious recipes. And I think this could be a really great opportunity for you to share with your friends, because as we mentioned, my mom she's like an evangelical plant-based eater. Like, she's all about it. She's telling everyone, because it's transformed so much of our lives, and especially my dad's health, that we are really big advocates for it. If I seem really tired, it's because I am. Cooking is a lot of work.
It is.
But the truth is, my mom doesn't measure. Like, she just like tosses things in. People are like, ooh, how did you make this? She's like, I don't know, because she like she's like flow state, just throwing stuff in blindly and not knowing what's happening, and then voila, this turns out this amazing dish. And so I'm here to make sure she measures, because I'm like, Mom, this is a recipe book. People need to know how to make it. She's like, oh, I don't know, I just threw it. Oh, Mom, no. Anyway, that's it for us. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of my mom. We should do more videos together. Maybe we'll do another Q&A or something like that. The end.